In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a metered subscription in Stripe. Start by logging into your Stripe dashboard and confirming that you are working in the correct Stripe account. Once you are in the dashboard, go to the left-hand sidebar and click Product Catalog. From there, you can either create a new product by clicking Add Product or open an existing product that you want to use for metered billing. Inside the product, go to the Pricing section and click Add Price. Set the pricing type to recurring. After that, open More Pricing Options so you can view the advanced settings. In the Pricing Model area, choose Usage-Based. This tells Stripe that the customer will be billed based on how much of your product or service they use during the billing period. Next, choose how the usage will be priced. A common option is per unit pricing. Enter the amount you want to charge for each unit of usage, and then select the correct currency for that price. After that, move to the Usage or Meter section. If you do not already have a meter created for the usage you want to track, click Create Meter. Enter the required details for that meter and save it. Once the meter has been created, return to the recurring price settings and select that meter from the meter dropdown. Now choose the billing period for the subscription, such as monthly. Review all of the usage-based pricing details to make sure everything is correct. When you are ready, click Add Price, Save, or Add Product, depending on the button shown in your dashboard. With the product and price ready, go back to the left-hand sidebar and open Customers. Select the customer who should receive the metered subscription. In the customer record, find the Subscriptions section and click Create Subscription, or click the plus button if that is what appears in your account. Add the product to the subscription and make sure you select the usage-based recurring price you just created. Review the subscription details one more time, then click Create Subscription to finish. Once the subscription is active, you will need to record usage against the meter as the customer uses your product or service. Stripe uses that usage data to calculate what the customer should be billed for each billing period. Finally, check the customer subscription and usage information in Stripe to confirm that the metered subscription is active and tracking correctly. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.